Sidzat. So in today's video, I thought that you guys may be wondering that who's the person behind the voice that you've been hearing for like 3 years. So, well, they weren't wondering. Yeah, I said maybe. Yeah, so I just thought, why not do a face reveal, and this is me. Hey friends, I am Siddhi and I'm the owner of this channel, Sidzat. So, well, I know that most of my subscribers are the people that I know personally. They know who I am. But still there are so many people who don't know who am I. So this is just for those. And now it's getting a bit awkward. So let's talk about today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you what you can do with these cardboard paper rolls that you get out of toilet paper rolls or kitchen paper towels or whatever. So you most probably throw these away, but there's no need to throw them, because today I'm going to show you some amazing ideas for DIY crafts or some hacks related to these. So let's start today's tutorial. Let's do some creative DIYs with these. So really? Oh, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one. So first of all, I'm going to add some pressure on this side of the roll so that it curves and closes like this. And now this roll will act as a pocket or a little gift, so you can add whatever you want in this. Like here I'm writing a little message which is happy birthday. And now I will just roll this and put it in that pocket like this. You can also add little gifts or toffees and chocolate, whatever you want. And now we will just close this and decorate it with our customized sheet. This is one of my mixed media sheets, and if you want a tutorial for it, then you can check on the info button. Now we will just paste it on the roll. Now just tie a beautiful ribbon on this cute little pocket box. And this is really a very bad looking bow, so let me just tie once again. Yeah, it looks better now. So hope you liked it. Let's move on to second craft. This time I'll be making a phone stand, and for that I'm using a pencil to just roughly sketch the lines like this. And now I'll just cut it using a cutter. Now I will create 2 slits so that the phone can stand on it. I decrease the height of the stand a bit more. Now paste any printed sheet on this to give it a nice look. And our DIY phone stand is ready. Hope you all liked it. Let's move on to our third craft. Now I'm going to make a cute cactus, and for that I'm cutting this roll like this. Yes, this will be the pot of the cactus. I will take some brown sheet. Oh wait, where are you going? Stay right here. Okay, now we're gonna be covering this. Our pot is completely ready, and now we will need a piece of green sheet and just fold it in half like this. Now draw a curvy line using a pencil. And cut this out by using scissors. And now you gotta be making lots and lots of these of exact same size. Now take one piece at a time and add some glue and stick another piece on exactly on top of it like this. Repeat this process until all of your pieces get stick together, and when you open it, it will look something like this. See how it's giving a 3D look of a cactus. And just like this, we're gonna be making a baby cactus of very small size. I'm taking another green sheet and just repeating the same process again. And this is our mini cactus, and we will stick this on top of the big cactus, and for that I'm just using a plastic stick. You can use anything like a piece of wire. This is just for support. Now I'm just inserting the stick in the middle of the mini cactus. I'm cutting out a little flower so that I can stick it on our cactus, and it's time to assemble all the parts now. Just take the mini cactus and insert it in the opening of the big cactus, as you can see here. Now we will just close the petal of the big cactus and paste that little flower on the top, and our cactus is ready. Let's place it in its pot. For this, I'm taking a piece of cardboard and just cutting out a circle according to the size of our pot. So this will act as the base of our cactus. By using a glue gun, paste this cardboard in the middle of the pot like this. You have to set the height of this piece according to the height of our cactus. Now let's place our cute cactus in the middle of the pot. Like this, we will gently place it. And yeah, it's ready. Now to give it a more realistic look, I'm just adding sand. This step is completely optional, you can skip it. And our DIY cute cactus is ready. It's time for our fourth craft. This time we'll be making a very spacious pen holder. I have already cut out these 4 cardboard circles according to the size of my cardboard rolls, and I'm just gonna paste it as the base of my holder. Take any colored or printed sheet and cover these rolls to give it a more attractive look. Now we have got all 4 covered, and we're gonna just go on to designing these. I roughly sketched my designs by using a pencil, and now I'm taking a permanent marker to just go over that. It's time to paste all these 4 together, and for that I'll be using glue gun. I'm going to paste the bigger ones oppositely and the smaller ones as well. And our rotatable emoji pen holder is completely ready. So hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to tell me your views in the comment section below. Share this video as much as you can, and I will read each one of your comments, so make sure to do. And see you until my next video. Bye bye.